Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I'm going to show you how to make some really fun napkins using summer themed, tropical theme fabrics. They're really simple to make. They just take a few minutes for each one and you can use fat quarters. Okay, let's get started. Some of the fabrics I'm using in this tutorial I purchased from quilter.com, and that's this one here and these other three pieces. All I did was go in there and enter tropical fabrics or beach themed fabrics, pool party fabrics, and you'll have selections pop up, and I thought these were just beautiful fabrics. Also, this particular one with ladies drinking their wine, this one I got at Joann Fabrics and Crafts. Now you can use fat quarters also, and you can make each napkin a different color. I cut my fat quarters down to 18 by 20. You can cut them to any size that you like. So the first step you want to do after you cut them is go to two opposite edges and fold the fabric over about 1/4 of an inch and press it with your iron, and fold it over again and press. Now make sure you press the edges, because if you just fold and try to hold the fabric, your edges are not going to look very nice. So fold and press first, and then stitch close to the edge right along here. When you're done, your edge should look like this, and this is what it looks like on the front. Now go to your last two edges and repeat that step. Fold it over and press with your iron, fold it over again and press, and then stitch right along that edge. So when you're done, your napkin on the back side will look like this, and then here it is on the front side. When you're done, you can fold these napkins any way you want. I just do a very basic fold, like in thirds, fold again this way. And one other thing I like to do when folding the napkins is I like to go to the ironing board and press the edges and then fold it in half and press so that your napkins look nice and crisp. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you try making these fabric napkins. Now you can make them for any season of the year using fabric of that season, or just pick a basic print that you want to use year-round. Now, if you're interested in other table linens, I have a lot of tutorials. You want to scroll down to the description section, click on Show More, and that section will expand open. I'm also going to have a playlist of all my sewing tips of the week. They're very educational. So if you're a beginner and you don't understand your sewing machine, you don't understand how to start a project, make sure you go through that Tips of the Week playlist and watch them. They're going to be very beneficial to you. Now don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.